And we went there after lunch, and that's why we could not take anything more, and that's why we took.
Right now we are going such a place where we will get something only for 1 taka. Yes, we are going a hotel there. We will get something only for 1 taka, and it is situated in Rangpur district at Lalbagh. Okay, and now we are going there, and that's why we have to take a rickshaw. And now we are waiting for rickshaw, and so enjoy the video.
And finally, within few minutes, we got a rickshaw, and we went there by this rickshaw. And if you see on my left side, you can see in this wall there are several kinds of motivational speech, and it is situated beside Carmichael and as well as Collegiate Student College, and you can see that it is Collegiate Student College, and we are going by using this road. And finally we reached there and we got a tiger, but most interesting thing is that there is no real tiger, it is an artificial tiger, and that's why it's called Tlalbag. And finally we reached there and we can see there are lots of people, they are eating several kinds of food, and we try to talk with the owner of this shop. And he said us that there are several types of food and they got popularity for their fresh food and seafood. And he also tried to say us that they got several types of people, that means all classes people come here for eating something, and especially students, they come here and try to food something. And they tell us that they found this hotel in 1950s and 1975, and still now they are maintaining this process, that means they are selling something only for 1 taka, and they try to say us their food is fresh. And you can see that there are several kinds of food, almost 15 types of food you will get here. And we went there after lunch, and that's why we could not take anything more, and that's why we took 2 plates khichdi and some pieju, and after eating that we can say it was fresh, so you can come here without thinking anything.